Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to replace ink cartridges in an Epson Stylus SX45W. Now this is nice and simple, it can be done from the printer itself without the use of an attached PC or laptop. So to get ourselves started, we're going to go into Setup, which we do by pressing this button here. And then we're going to use the right arrow to go along to ink cartridge replacement, which is option 4. Once we're there, press the start button, and your printer will now move the ink cartridge cradle into the replacement position. So to open the lid of the printer, you're just going to lift here. You want to be going below the scanner, under this kind of shelf bit above where the paper comes out. So we lift, pops up, and as you can see, the ordinarily inaccessible cradle has moved itself into this position. So to get to the ink cartridges, pull down on the top here, this little hatch opens up. Now to get to the ink cartridges, there's like little clips at the top on most ink cartridges. So whichever cartridge you want to replace, press down on that till it comes loose. Lift them on out gently. I'm going to pop the same cartridge back in, but if you've got a brand new cartridge, it'll almost certainly have like an orange or a yellow pull tab you need to take off there to kind of break a vacuum within the cartridge. Don't worry about the film on the bottom, that gets pierced automatically as it goes into the printer. And I've never seen a compatible or an original where you have to worry about peeling anything off the bottom. So, get the one back in, just drop it in roughly, and then you just press down. You'll probably hear a little click like that, but as long as it's sat flush with those, it won't go down any further. You're good. Now we'll close this back up. Again, wait for that to click. Close the lid of the printer, then we'll hop back over to the screen. And to be honest, there isn't much more to do. Just press start, and your printer will take a look at the ink cartridges, make sure it's happy. If, like me, you're using compatible cartridges, you might get a warning, but there shouldn't be anything that you can't just click by, as long as it's not having a genuine issue reading the cartridge. But that's about all there is to see here. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Let us know if it was helpful with a like. If there's anything else you would like to know, please do let me know in the comments. Otherwise, we'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.